Hello again, everyone. Today's video is going to be a math video, and we're going to be making a chart. So as you can see in the middle of the image here, I've already set up a very casual chart. This is something that you can just write freehand. Okay, so I tried to make it based on everyone's situation at home where you're going to have to write this out. You can see there's two problems. Looking at the top here, it says, Fraser spent some time building a wall with 650 bricks. On the first day, he managed to lay 243 bricks. For day one, he put down 243, and the total number is 243. Okay, now day two here, as you can see, day two, he's going to put down 2/3 of that amount that he put here. So of the 243 he put down on day one, he's only going to put down 2/3 of that. Okay, so basically what you're going to do, take 243 and multiply it by 2/3. And then what I did is I took 243 and multiplied it by 2, and that gave me 486. I then took that 486 and divided it by 3 to get the answer of 162. So now I know that on the second day, he laid 2/3 of the amount that he had laid down the day before. So if he put 243 bricks down for day one, and he put down 2/3 of that for day two, the answer is going to be 162 bricks. Okay, now what you're going to do is take the 243 total number from day one, add that to the 162 for day two, and then you get an answer of 405 total number of bricks put down for day two. Okay, and that's what you're going to do for Fraser here. Okay, you're just going to continue on and do that until you answer the question of how many days did it take him to build a wall with 650 bricks. Now, it's quite possible you're going to go over that amount. Okay, we don't want to get under 650 bricks. We can go over 650 bricks if that's by 5 or 10, 15 or 20. That's okay. We just want to know how many days it took him to get to 650 bricks. Let's go ahead and read about Captain Salamander now, and he's right below the chart here. Captain Salamander is also building a wall with 650 bricks, so he's got the same amount as Fraser. On the first day, he manages to lay 180 bricks. So we're looking at Captain Salamander over here now, to the right, on the right side of the chart. Day one, we know he put down 180 bricks for day one, and his total number is going to be 180 bricks. He also gets more tired each day and lays 22 fewer bricks than the day before. Now here's the rest of the question. You've got to read through it. Who builds their wall first? They want to know who's going to get to 650 bricks or past it. Like I just said, you can go past it. So the answers are going to, I'll tell you this right now, the answer is not going to hit 650. It's going to be bigger, okay? Because I don't want anyone thinking like, oh, we can't get to 650. You're not going to get to 650. You're going to go past it, okay? So we know he put 180 bricks down on day one, and his total number is 180. We know that. On the second day, he's going to lay 22 fewer bricks than he did on day one, which was 180. So for that's just basic subtraction there. Okay, so you're going to take 180 and subtract it from 22, and you're going to get 158 for day two. The total number, we are going to take the 180 from day one, his total, add it to the 158 he did for day 2. So for the first 2 days, the total number he's put down is 338 bricks. Okay, so that's the first 2 days examples that I'm going to do here for you. And I'll let you, for the bonus activity now, finish up the rest. And hey, as always, thank you again for watching my video. I really appreciate you spending part of your day with me and trying to get something out of this educationally. So I appreciate it. And as always, you stay safe out there. Okay? And I'll see you on the next one.